It's a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, ultrasonic park assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.